Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. So today we are going to see what a DEMA, that is double exponential moving average, in the technical analysis of stocks is. DEMA is just another form of the simple moving average, or DEMA came into existence to remove the lag in the moving average. Moving average में जो faults थे उनको cover up करने के लिए DEMA market में आया. Let's see what a DEMA is. It was developed by Patrick Mueller. DEMA uses a calculation of single and double EMA, single or double exponential moving average use करता है, giving another EMA with a time lag lesser than both. EMA और simple moving average दोनों से कम time lag लेता है, and therefore it gives faster signals. DEMA is calculated by doubling the recent data EMA. जो EMA है उसको double करेंगे. First we calculate the exponential moving average, then we double the exponential moving average of the data, and then deducting smoothed moving average from it. उसी में से अपन smoothed moving average को डिडक्ट कर लेंगे. स्मूदन कैसे करेंगे? EMA ऑफ EMA फाइंड करके स्मूदन किया जाएगा, which makes it dynamic and less lagging. DEMA is more responsive to recent market activity and gives early indication of the trend reversals. ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिव ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि लैग रिमूव हुआ है, अपन ने ज़्यादा स्मूदन डेटा यूज़ किया है इसलिए, एंड देयरफॉर इट गिव्स अर्ली इंडिकेशन ऑफ द ट्रेंड रिवर्सल्स. The DEMA can be also used as a standalone indicator. Standalone indicator की तरह यूज़ हो सकता है. Like you need not to combine with any other technical analysis indicator which is there, and can be incorporated with any other technical analysis tools whose logics are based on moving averages. अगर उनका incorporation करना भी है किसी के साथ तो we should incorporate with that moving average जिसका that indicator जिसका जो logic है या जिसका जो input है वो moving averages है. Let's see DEMA on a chart. See, this is the double exponential moving average plotted on Nifty daily chart. ये bar chart है and this is the volumes. Now whenever the logic is the same as moving average, जब भी DEMA price को ऊपर की तरफ काटेगा, see at this levels, that is a buy signal which is generated. See a strong rally in the stock, and whenever it cuts in a downward direction, then a sell signal is generated. See. Here it's again a buy signal. फिर यहाँ पे bearish rally आई है stock Nifty में. Then here it is a sell signal and we see a downward rally again. यहाँ पे वापस ऊपर की तरफ काटा है, and whenever the prices are above the DEMA, then there is uptrend, और जब भी prices DEMA के नीचे हैं तो there is a downtrend which is there. So in this way we interpret DEMA on a chart. Moving ahead, how do we interpret it? Similar to other averages, it is also used for confirming trends and price directions. The price line moving above DEMA indicates an uptrend suitable for buy trades, as I said, and the price line moving below the DEMA indicates a downtrend suitable for the sell trades. Downtrend आएगा तो sell trades अपन generate कर सकते हैं. Can be plotted with other indicators for crossovers giving effective signals. अपन other indicators के साथ भी use कर सकते हैं crossover signals देने के लिए, which gives effective signals. What are the calculations used? Let us see the formula. This is the formula for DEMA. DEMA is equal to 2 into exponential moving average minus smoothed moving average. This is smoothed moving average because EMA का भी EMA लिया गया है तो ज़्यादा refined हो गया, so therefore it is smoothed. Now DEMA can also be used to generate crossover signals. Crossover signals generate करने के लिए भी use करता है DEMA. When the shorter period DEMA crosses the longer period DEMA in upward direction, then a buy signal is generated and vice versa. जब shorter period DEMA is used crosses the longer period DEMA in downward direction, then a sell signal is generated. Let's see it on a chart. See. ये दो अलग अलग पीरियड्स का DEMA यूज कर रखा है. दिस इज 10 day and 50 day DEMA. This the green line which we see, which is 10 day double exponential moving average, and the purple line that we see is the 50 day exponential moving average. So shorter period is the 10 day DEMA and the longer period is a 50 day DEMA. So whenever the 10 day moving DEMA crosses the 50 day moving average, double exponential moving average in upward direction, then a buy signal is generated, and whenever it see the green line crosses the purple line in a downward direction, then a sell signal is generated. So here it has crossed it upwards around 5350 levels और 5650 के लेवल्स पे सेल सिग्नल दिए. यहाँ पे ग्रीन लाइन ऊपर की तरफ काटा है तो बाय सिग्नल जनरेट हुआ है, यहाँ पे ग्रीन लाइन ने नीचे की तरफ काटा तो सेल सिग्नल. सी हियर इट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउनवर्ड रैली इन द स्टॉक, क्योंकि पर्पल लाइन ने ग्रीन लाइन को ऊपर की नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ काटा है या ग्रीन लाइन ने नीचे की तरफ काटा है, दोनों तरीके से बोल सकते हैं. तो हियर इट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउनवर्ड रैली इन द स्टॉक. देन अगेन एट करंट लेवल्स भी निफ्टी में देयर इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउनवर्ड रैली एंड 5550 के लेवल्स पे ही इसने अपने को सेल सिग्नल्स दे दिए थे. So in this way we interpret the DEMA crossovers. So this was all about the double exponential moving average. I hope I have made myself clear. For any queries you have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you.